Hundreds of protesters took to the streets in Tripoli's Martyrs Square, with demonstrators angry at the decision by Libya's interim parliament to extend the country's post-revolutionary transition period.
Honestly, till now, from what we've seen in this country, there is nothing that predicts that this country will take any step forward. And honestly, we are here because we don't want the extension.
Another protester demanded that the National General Congress finds a way to save the country from the current situation.
We were in a political vacuum before and after Gaddafi was gone, and the Libyan people are not afraid of weapons or anyone.
Amidst all this, the former chief of Libya's military called for disbanding the country's parliament and government in a video message only 3 days after the defense minister warned that a coup attempt had been foiled. Many derived Khalif Haftar's message as an attempt to declare a coup. Libyan authorities, however, dismissed the statement, describing it as the work of a retired soldier with no backing within Libya's armed forces.
General Khalifa Haftar released a statement claiming that the Libyan army created a roadmap and took over parliament and the government and forced the constitution declaration, and this is against the law. The Libyan army has nothing to do with the political process and should not be involved in it. We released a statement denying his statement and his control of the state's facilities. The army members, who he says are under his control, still belong to the state of Libya.
The chief of staff further said an order to arrest him had been issued by the general prosecutor. Major General Khalif Haftar's statement prompted mockery by many, with jokes that the military was too weak to carry out a coup and that the government is in too much disarray to be overthrown anyway. But the alarm raised underscored the potential for any of the country's armed factions to topple the ramshackle political institution installed since the 2011 ouster of long-term leader Muammar Gaddafi. Libya has been raked by political turmoil since the fall of Gaddafi and now struggles with rival political factions and militia groups who have competing views on how the country should be run. Mwongeli, CCTV.